your shoes on here. Hey, bud. Come here.
These are too small, right?
I fit.
No, that ain't what I hear in the gutter.
There was a few sprinkles while I was sitting there, but
Dad, when it hails, can turkeys fly?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
But when the ice hits their wings.
So we almost slept in this morning because there's a big front coming, about to hit in about 30 minutes, and the wind's blowing 22 miles an hour, but we can at least do a little listening around. It's going to be a miracle if they gobble, but you never know. No, I didn't. I hit it. Really working better. Like across the field.
You ain't got to spare one of them, do you?
Well, maybe. We get the big blind, 4 of us. Let's go kill a turkey, boys. Alright, we got this bird. He's been hanging out. We got this big bird. He's been hanging out in this bean field every day. It's standing beans. So we're gonna come in here and set up on the ground, but we got worried about these standing beans. I heard that other bird dead. So there's been 2 different birds and they're not buddies, so we got in this bean field where they've been coming. We got in this blind for 2 reasons. We thought it was going to be extremely cold, which it was at the house. It was windy, but we got out on the bottom, so it's nice. And 2, we wanted elevation to look in these beans. I don't think Cash sitting on the ground would have been able to see through this bean stubble. So it's a pretty good setup. We got in there early enough. We knew about where it was, and right over that creek. He might pitch down here in a minute, buddy. Into the field, he might do it. He's getting tore up about it, man.
Is tomorrow morning gonna be even colder?
Well, it probably won't be colder because the wind won't be blowing. That's what I'm thinking. That's my story and I'm sticking to it.
If that is the direction you gobble from, he's probably in it. Okay, that hen's right here. There's 2 of them. They're coming fast, y'all.
Yeah, there's 2.
Be careful, Cash. Be careful. could have been anywhere, really.
Yeah, I could.
Cash thought he was to the right, but
Tough and a blind here.
be still, Cash.
It's a gobbler.
Gosh, don't point.
Like it.
Yeah, we see him. I see him now. Don't point, Cash. Don't do that.
No, that's a hen up top.
No, there's a gobbler
gobbler
on that ridge right yonder.
up on the tracks, Jeff. There's Tom.
He was where you said, Cash. Exactly where you said. That's what I'm looking at.
I lost the Tom.
Standing there in the grass, right on that stand. Yeah, he's right at this thing.
Oh, I see him. I see him. That's probably binoculars.
He's just about to step in the field.
Y'all still see the top?
Yeah, he's just about to step in the field.
He's about to come in the field.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him now. Okay, I got him.
He's a big bird.
Lord help us kill this bird.
Jesus, let him come on in. See him, buddy? You good, Kyle? Yes, sir.
Well, he's bearded. It's pretty long.
We got two hens to our left.
Yeah, two straight in front of us, too. He ain't gonna
No,
be
we
able
got
to step.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
Buddy, don't worry about the hens.
Wait, we got 4 actually.
Just gotta make sure one of the hens don't spot us.
Here he comes.
Starting to get real now.
Safety off, okay? Get on the decoys, Cat. Can you shoot the decoy? Alright. Be still, be still. Safety is off. You gotta take your time to pull that trigger, okay? Keep it right on his neck. He's breaking now.
Yeah, I need to turn that on a little run.
What?
I need to turn it on a little broader.
Okay. Is that good?
A little broader?
Shh, here he comes. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good.
That should be it. They're looking at
Take
us.
your time, buddy, okay? Here he comes. See? Just move slow, okay? Kyle, he's coming hard now.
I see him. Just don't forget about the hens.
You can put your hand on the gun. Easy. Clock hand. He's probably gonna beat no Lord out
I got it here if you need both cameras up there.
Easy. Now the blind's gonna freaking blow up.
To get this gun.
Oh, yeah, wait, let him come. Here he comes, here he comes. I gotta keep my hand on the blind. Okay, we gotta make sure ain't no hen in the way, okay?
Oh wait, there's another. There's another redhead.
Don't matter. We're bucks.
Right there.
Just worry about that one.
Well, actually, it's a redhead hen.
Okay, wait, we're oh yeah, the other hen to the right. Okay, here he comes. Get on the gun.
I think we're gonna kill him.
Well, we ain't killing you here and spinning drumming.
Okay.
Wait, no, let him get the decoy. Take your time. Don't yell at him or nothing
I ain't gonna do nothing.
till he gets in there.
No, I ain't gonna do nothing. Just let him kill him.
kill him if you want. Nice and easy. Uh-oh. Two hands, buddy. Two. Yeah. Get it dead on him. What? Dead on him. Remember, you gotta pull. Yes! 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 Woo! You smoked him, buddy! Couldn't get trigger pull.
Good job. I know.
Couldn't get that trigger pull, man. That's that problem with that gun.
That hurt.
It's a little bit long for him, right here.
Oh, hell no, it's that trigger. I'll let you play with it. You better go get that turkey. Go get it.
Here, get up the back.
Go get it.
Oh, man.
I can't get out.
Man, that's a big bird, buddy.
That's a good bird.
That's a big bird, boy. Look at them.
Oh, my Lord, look at the spurs on that
That's the
bird.
biggest one
Woo,
ever.
son, that's going to be your biggest one ever right there. Look at that. Don't touch him yet. Oh, Lord.
That is a hen raider. You smacked him right in the head, too, son.
Wow. He done pushed it. Jake.
What? He just kind of pushed it over his chest. He wouldn't-
Yeah. He didn't ever like jump on it. Look at them spurs, my Lord.
Oh, man, them are an inch and a half.
That'd be a
Holy
full body mount if you want to do one for him.
Look where he's been breeding those hens.
Oh, man. That hen come down the hill.
Well, I hit him right in the brain.
Yeah, you did.
Those hooks, man.
Oh, man. That's a monster. Well, let's see what you got, buddy. Oh, good Lord. Have mercy. Feel that.
Look at that. Look at him. Oh, my Lord. Look at that.
Buddy, that's a giant. Woo. Man, that's why we hunted hard. Hey, you cold? Give me a hug. You happy now? You killed like one of the biggest turkeys we knew of. Look at that fan. That's what you want to see. Those parrots came over.
He cut us off one time.
Yeah, that was it. Boy, he took his time. I should have known he was a giant bird the way he was acting.
He didn't gobble about 2 times over on the limb this morning.
You asked him, he's got a big beard. Look at that. Looked like he wrecked him.
How much?
25 too.
I think he's bigger than that.
Yeah, he might be.
That means your bird was big. Hey, if we go weigh this thing, he's different. What would your bird weigh? 24.6?
No, mine was 26, wasn't he? Oh, well, no, it's 24.
24,
That's
yeah.
right.
Yeah, we'll wait on that other scale and see.
Man, buddy, yes! Yeah.
I knew I was going to kill that one.
Did you?
I think he was coming
when he was
in,
right there,
we're
he's
gonna
like,
kill
he's
him.
like, we're going to kill him now. See how far he was? He was right here.
I got 25 too, 2 times.
Body just moved.
Man, I'm freezing. I put a lot of clothes on.
This was a granddaddy. Right here, boys. 1.5 inch hookage. We got him tagged. We knew this bird was in here, and he was roosted just on the other, above that creek this morning. And we got in here, and I set the decoys about 18, 19 yards from the blind there. And it's possible that he's seen the decoys in the field. I don't know. He kept gobbling. Didn't act like he was worried about it. But there was a bird down the creek and another one up in that pasture gobbled 2 or 3 times. He took off towards them. So we knew it'd be a minute. And then, was it 8:45? About 8:30, we seen him up on that hill. And he took his time. Paul yelped one time when a hen got in the field. And he was just behind those hens. And it took him 15 minutes to get down here. We knew he was a big bird, but we didn't know he was this big. Probably 26, 28 pounder. We're about to weigh him. What do you think, bud? You awful quiet. You wasn't quiet in that blind.
Is that your biggest turkey?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the biggest one. It's a big bird. Big bird.
Bigger than all the Georgia ones.
Mm-hmm. Well, you killed one other Iowa bird, but I think he was like a 3-year-old.
I was 4.
No, the turkey was 3-year-old.
Oh, I thought you said I was 3.
So what do you got to say, man? You happy to get tagged? It keeps your streak alive. This is the 4th year in a row. Killed a bird. Not bad for a 7-year-old, huh? First turkey with your new vest. Well, I think that might have been good luck, huh?
Who gets to carry him to the truck?
Well,
He's just right there, so it's definitely not me.
I went and got the truck. We had, what, 4 chairs,
I'll carry him if you
a
gonna buy
box.
supper.
Yeah, cash. You know what this means. When you kill, you got to buy dinner.
No.
We're going to have to dip in that savings account.
No.
You got a piggy bank?
No.
You don't?
Yeah, he
I
does.
do at home, but I'm not.
All right, well, get him.
You have to like have a minute.
Get him. Get him.
We'll get your dad to make you a loan till you get back home.
No, drag him.
I can't
Don't
pick
drag
him
him.
up.
Just see if you can pick him up.
You get him on your shoulder?
Let's see if we can get him on his shoulder. Ready?
That turkey already cut my glove.
All right, here.
See?
Here. Grab him right here. No. I'm over your shoulder. Turn around. All right, right there. One hand. No, both hands on this side. No.
Here.
Hold it. Keep doing it.
The spur's in his glove.
Ow, that hurt my muscle.
Oh yeah. Come here. I need a hug. Did you tell Ashley?
I told you I was here. Good.
I'd like to cut them feet off and have them mounted. Oh, you probably won't.
At first he wanted to get it mounted, but now he wants to eat it.
I said, we told him you had to buy supper tonight. He said, we eating this right here.
Woo!
He said he already provided the food.
Dropped him like a rock, I bet. Huh?
He
How
sacked
close
up.
was he?
About 18, 19 yards. He was
He
pretty
got some
close.
shot in his head, didn't he?
He folded up. He didn't even really move.